Hello universe, welcome to my channel. My name is Sin and I'm an artist living in Sacramento, California. In this video, I'm going to vlog a little of my day. I built a rolling tray that I got for Christmas, and you'll see the painting process of my original character, who is named Wormie. There are one of the characters that I've been developing, and I thought it would be a great way to show you my process of how I brought this character to life. So let's go. So I started the morning taking care of some errands. I went to wash my car because it's been raining in California and my car desperately needed the wash. I went to the art store to pick up some supplies for my next drawing. Rushed home to make dinner. I made like beef stew. Took some self-care time before I started painting. Look at me all cute with my face mask. So here's the concept, messy sketch I drew in my sketchbook. This was the initial concept. The sketch is rough, but I wanted to add color and I wasn't ready to commit to the coloring concept in my sketchbook. So I brought the sketch into my iPad where I used red color to sketch out like a pencil sketch. I also added more to the background of the sketch. Once I completed my rough digital sketch, I worked on the color concept. Okay, so here's the blank canvas. I think I just need to smash my head into the canvas and it should just magically work. And it didn't, so I guess I have to sketch it. Dang. I worked on the sketch using a watercolor red pencil. I love how smooth these pencils are. I'm heavy-handed, so these pencils work so well for me. See those smooth lines? Sheesh! All right, rough sketch completed on canvas. I already had started painting before recording. As you can tell, here's my palette, and I'm going to just leave you here as I paint the background. Enjoy. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so here's the rolling tray I got for Christmas, still in the box. I opened the box, took out all the things inside, made sure all the pieces were there, gave me a screwdriver, made sure all the wheels were there. It looked fairly easy to put together, but at the same time, I was still intimidated. I did enjoy those little containers. I thought they were so cute. Okay, so I was at first a little worried that the screws were not gonna fit. but it worked out. The holes were a little tight, but with the simple little nudge, I was able to screw them right in. The second tray is assembled. Proud of myself. Fast forward to now where I am assembling the wheels. I already had one in, and I'm gonna start with the second one. I had the nice little wrench, and it was fairly easy to just push in the hole and, you know, wheel it in or screw it in. I'd just say quick little twist. Awesome, the rolling tray is now complete. Look how it twists and turns. It's so beautiful. I think it's awesome. It's gonna work so well for me. The tires are in place. They moved so smoothly. I love it. But I think I messed up. And oh my god, I actually forgot to put the little holder. It was supposed to go in that part of the tray, and I completely closed it off. I actually do want it. It's gonna help me out, so I know now I have to take it apart and put it on there so it can look like the photo. Alright, I completed it. I made sure I followed the instructions, made sure it looked like the photo. I am loving this. I can't wait to use it. The containers are going to work so well for me. The little handle. I can't wait to get a bunch of paint all over it. Okay, back to painting I go. I'm using the rolling tray there, but you can't really see it. So, moving forward, I continued with working on the background, creating the little moss on the trees. So cute. I love the colors. And I worked on these little mushrooms that were like small little details that I try to make sure I add to the painting. But they were so cute. It was so cute creating these little tiny mushrooms on the canvas. I had such a blast creating these small little mushrooms that you can later notice when the painting is complete. Okay, so I got back on drawing the characters' teeth, and can I just say that I love painting pointy teeth. They are so cool to me. It just gives me jaws. Gives me shark vibes, and I enjoy it. We made it to the final portion of this painting with the last minute touches, and I can say that this character is my favorite. Now time for the reveal. I introduce to you Wormie, the mushroom alien eating worm who enjoys his life in his mushroom little land. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe and share.